Hi Greg, let me give you the nickel tour. So probably you figured out a good chunk of this at the header of the page. So we have the social icons, the website name, and the tagline. The menu top, the phone number, and the text links right here. So all those goodies here are located in the library and the shared. So basically anything on the top of the page is located right in here. All right, and you've been through that part before, so I'm not going to go into great detail because I think you've probably got that figured out. But the rest, there's a couple of new features. One, we have the contact list right here, okay, or the contact panel. Now this is located inside the the components and contact panel right there. Okay, that's the LBI file right there. All right, so there's that one there. Okay, and then down below at the bottom of the full screen slider, so this is your full screen slider, the mobile responsive part, and that slider is located right here. Okay, and then below that we have the info box carousel. Okay, so this guy is located in the components, and it is right here, info box carousel. Open it up, and this one you can pretty much just pop into the view. Now there's your picture, your heading, your description, and then the view more button or the link button, and we have the tutorials that sort of show on there. As a matter of fact, we're not even using the view more link. I've got it hidden, so you can pretty much ignore that, and sorry for any confusion. Now scrolling on down, this is just a regular text area here, right? A regular text area here and here as well, and then regular text area and meet the team. Okay, and then we have the testimonials slider down below. Now this is the only other library component besides the footer that's actually in the page. Everything else is a part of just the regular HTML. And you may have certain questions that weren't answered, and at that point you can sort of say, hey look, I'm trying to change an icon here or whatnot. And these are just font awesome icons, these little guys that show up down here. Right, and if you're not sure what those are, I do have a tutorial on the system, but I can give you some more details. I just wanted to give you a quick tour of the head of the page there, and most importantly, get down at the bottom. We have the testimonials slider, which is this guy right here. Now we have a bunch of other stuff in here, some used for different pages within the site, like the photo isotope or the slideshow. Okay, excuse me. Where was I at there? Oh, I was talking about the testimonial slider, and that's the tutorial you'd want. And basically, heading, description. There's an image if you want to use a picture, and just text. So that's basically all you need to change. But it is a testimonial slider tutorial. So I'm gonna cut it off at that point for the index page bits and pieces. Let's take a look at the contact page, because this one does use a library element or an element for your some code, sorry, for your Google map here. So let's get down into the page here, okay? And really what we want to do is, I'm going to give you right here, see this row around line 566? I'm going to show you how to do this in code view. What I want you to do is, see the row here, just separate out this bit here, and then we want to go down to where it says view larger map. And we, right between the small and the div tag right here, just hit enter on the keyboard. Now all this junk, that's all the old map, get rid of it. Fire up a web browser, and we're going to go to Maps Google, like so. Right, now you can put in your address up here. When you've created your map, go down to the menu and go down to the share or embed. And I know Google's changed this around quite a bit since my video. That's maybe why it's not making sense. But the share link, click in the embed map and copy this new link. Watch this. When we paste this in, see how much smaller it is? That's because Google has really changed the way they code this. So the width we're going to put to 100%. Okay, and save, and let's just see what happens with the map now. Let me just pull it up and make sure everything in there was the way I wanted it. Oh, didn't even pull up. What's going on here? F12 preview. There we go, and now the map pops up right there. So that'll get you. I just wanted to get you rolling here, and let me know if you have any other questions that I missed.